Hi guys, it's me again, Maria, and another tutorial that I want to share with you guys that you might want to try if you're interested to add to your digital products or physical products. So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how I created a play cards or a game cards that you can use to play games. This is my first time that I'm creating these cards, and I wanted to have my physical copy of this card, and I'm gonna show you guys where you can create a physical copy and order that for yourself to see how it looks like. You can use it to play with, and make a video of that and teach people how to use your play cards. I'm gonna show you guys. I use ChatGPT. I use Artistly for creating images of the cards. I also use ChatGPT create image. When you use ChatGPT, there is a create image there. Then you can use that too to create image. It's all mixed AI application that I created to create those 40 decks of cards. And with the prompts, I went to Artistly, and you can get 4 options, right? You can click 4 options, so you have a choice to choose which cards that you want to use for your games. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that and how I did it until I finally created the 40 decks of cards and ordered that for myself, so I can see it and show to you guys the physical product. You can also use that for selling card games. You can also upload that to Amazon to for digital products, or if you want to sell on Amazon the card game itself, you can also do that. So if you're new to my channel and you see this video, please don't forget to subscribe, guys, like and share this video. Alright, so without any further ado, let's go to my computer and let's do it. Alright, so now we are here in ChatGPT. Okay, just write on the prompt bar that please help me to create a prompt that creates animated characters for card games. So if you want to create a games or card games for kids, now just ask ChatGPT to create a prompt for you on how you can create these animated characters for games. So this is how it looks like. So the ChatGPT is going to ask you 4 things that if this is for kids, for teens or adults, so that ChatGPT knows for who are you going to use those cards. Those are I always telling you guys that you have to be specific to get the better result. So you have to answer these 4 questions. And what style do you want? Do you want a cute, anime, fantasy? Answer these questions. Is it for printable cards or digital animation use? So I don't know. Do you want it printable or just digital? Do you want consistent character across a full deck? So answer these 4 questions so that you can get the result that you want, and ChatGPT know what to do or what to give it to you. Once after you answer this one, then they're gonna give you this master prompt for your card. It depends on what card games that you want to create. So I'm just showing you guys an example of me creating these deck cards. Also, ChatGPT going to give you a code for consistent character if you want your cards are in a consistent characters. Okay, so once you got all the prompts, you're going to Artistly. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys the first card, the character that I created inside of Artistly. Alright, so here are the first card that I created. So you can choose which card that you want. So I'm going to create another one. This is the first card that I created. Alright, so now here is my second example that I want to share with you guys, so I can create 20 cards. So this is my second card. I'll just copy and paste the code, and I'm going back to Artistly. And here under the okay, for AI Image Designer V6, you go to Photorealism under category. Click this one, and then just paste the prompt that ChatGPT gave to you for the cards. All right, and then I'm gonna do 4, and then I'm going to get the ratio for 2:3, which is like the size of poker cards. Click this one, and let's generate the image. Okay, so this is my first card, and I'm going to choose which card that I'm going to use. All right, so here is the bubble. Okay, so as you see, as I'm going back, so here is the bubble bin for the second card. All right, for my first card, it's a spark puff. Okay, and then for the second card is a bubble bin. Okay, so this is the bubble bin. So I'm gonna think about later because I only need one card, but I ask for, so I have a choice which I'm going to use. So this is my first card. This is my second card. So it's up to you guys on what age that you want to use this card. But I use like for kids, so it's a little bit kind of animated. So it's so cute, right? Well, it depends on the age. All right, so once we finish this one, I'm going back to ChatGPT and scroll down, and I'm going to click the third card, which is the Ember Cub. Okay, so here on the Ember card, as you see, guys, the character role is a fire striker. You can change this one, guys. The personality is brave and stubborn. The stats, which is, the power of each card. We have the red heart icon, the HP 3. The attack 5 is flame icon. So this is the stats or the power of this Ember Cub. Okay, I'm gonna copy. Going back to Artistly. Click AI Image Designer V6 and go to Photorealism and just paste here the prompt. Let's get 4 so that we have a choice, and the ratio is 2:3, and generate the image. All right, so I already have 3 cards, and I created 20 for this, and later on I'm gonna make a decision to which that I'm going to download, and I'm going to show you guys how we can upload this to Canva to convert it to 300 dpi. All right, so this is my third card, so I'm gonna leave it like this, and I'm just keep going, guys, until I finish the 20 cards, and I'll see you in the end. All right, so now we are here in Canva, and we're going to create and upload all those cards. We're going to customize the size. All right, so the size is, we're gonna change this to inches. So it is 2.5 by 3.5 inches, which is, I think, the normal size of the cards. And then let's create a design. All right, so now here is the size of the cards. I'm just gonna create one more page, so we just double it, and then from here in the upload, we're going to upload all the cards that we just created in Artistly, or if you created in a ChatGPT. So just upload all those 40 cards. So to do that, I'm going to go to my desktop, and I think I put all those cards in a folder. And here are the 40 cards that I just created inside of Artistly. Some of these are on ChatGPT, and it's all over. Okay, so I'm just gonna copy all of this, and I'm gonna open it so I can upload it inside of Canva. So as you see, guys, it's now uploading, and then I'm just gonna drag one card at a time into this. Okay, so one card at a time, just drag it here, or just click this one here, and as you see, here is the first card, okay, that I just created. So I'm just gonna drag this to fit all of it. All right, so this is the first card, and then here is the second page. All you're gonna do is just to add a page, and just click the second card. Oops, sorry. Okay, go to the second page, click the card, and then we're just going to drag it here into the end. All right, so this is our second card, and then here is the third card. So I'm just going to add another page for the card. So this is the first, second, and then the same, guys, the same process. All you're gonna do is just to click and drag all of the 40 cards until you put all the 40 cards in here. Okay, I'm gonna do the rest of these, guys, and then I'll see you in the end. Alright, so now after you finish downloading in Canva, you need to go to this board games maker. I'm gonna put the link on the description so you can upload all your cards here. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm dropping one by one each card on this. So I'm on the 30, then I'm gonna 31. This is 40 cards. Then you can sell this physical,
Okay, so I have 40 cards. So this one, I don't need this. Not just 40 cards. So after that, you're going to upload the back of your card, and then you just drag it here until you reach the number of your card, which is my deck is 40 cards. So after you finish with that, then the next step is this. So add text at the back, so I don't need to add. I'm just gonna go ahead and next step. All right, so now here you go. So here is the front and here is the back. The front, the back, the front, the back. Okay, so all you're gonna do is just to check this out if you have 40 cards. So here is the back and here is the front of the card. All right, so once you finish with this, and then we're going to add to the card. Okay, so please review your design carefully before finalizing your order, as it will be printed without any additional editing or buy. Okay, so make sure that is on the 40, and there you go. All right, so I'm good with this, and I'm going to click check inside the box, and I'm gonna add it into the cart. So here are some of the game box. If you want to, you have a choice, and here are the price. But I'm here in Japan, so it's Japanese yen. So you can choose the the box that you want for your card. Alright, so now as you see guys, the file is already uploaded, the box cover PDF. So I'm going to click this one and add to the cart. Alright, and now as you see guys, here is the game card that I am going to create and sell it physical. So here is the price in Japanese yen, but if you are in other country, maybe it will go into your own currency. Alright, so this is how you can create your own game card, guys. If you want to print it on your own and then sell it physical, then you have your own physical products of your game card. But if you want to sell this digitally, then you can also do that into your stand store or whatever store you are, Etsy, things like that. So you can sell this as digital. Alright, so that's all for today's tutorial guys. If you have any question, just let me know and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.